John star. Can't believe say I and I Empress was pack up and gone so style. John star.